In this video, we review Ocean Finance Credit Card. Have you used Ocean Finance Credit Card before? What was your experience? Leave your Ocean Finance Credit Card review in the comments section below. The Ocean Finance Credit Card, marketed as a tool for individuals with less than perfect credit, has garnered mixed reviews from users. Known for its higher-than-average interest rates and its focus on rebuilding credit, this card serves a specific niche within the credit card market. While its primary selling point is accessibility for those who struggle to obtain traditional credit cards, it is not without its challenges and criticisms. One notable aspect of the Ocean Finance Credit Card is its relatively low credit score requirement, which makes it an attractive option for individuals looking to rebuild or establish their credit profiles. It offers features like free credit score monitoring, which can help users track their progress. The card also reports to major credit bureaus, allowing responsible usage to positively impact one's credit history. However, the interest rate associated with the card is significantly higher than many mainstream options, a common drawback for products aimed at those with low credit scores. Users have noted that these high rates can lead to financial strain if balances are not paid in full each month. Another advantage highlighted by reviewers is its simple online application process and relatively high approval rate. This can be particularly beneficial for those who have faced repeated rejections from other providers. Some customers have appreciated its straightforward terms, as well as the opportunity to improve their credit with disciplined use. Despite these positives, there are notable disadvantages. Many reviewers on forums like Reddit and Quora have criticized the card's high fees, which can include annual fees, late payment charges, and foreign transaction fees. Additionally, the credit limit offered initially tends to be low, which may frustrate those looking to make larger purchases. While credit limits can increase with responsible use, some users reported that these increases were not as frequent or substantial as they had hoped. Another issue frequently raised is customer service. Experiences have varied significantly, with some users reporting helpful interactions while others complained of long wait times and unhelpful responses. A lack of additional perks, such as cashback rewards or travel benefits, also makes this card less appealing to those who have other options available. In conclusion, the Ocean Finance Credit Card is best suited for individuals with limited credit options who are committed to improving their financial habits. Its accessibility and credit-building potential make it a valuable tool for a specific audience, but the high fees, elevated interest rates, and lack of rewards limit its broader appeal. For prospective users, the key is to use the card responsibly, maintaining low balances and paying in full each month to avoid excessive interest costs. Before applying, consumers should carefully weigh the card's costs and benefits against their financial needs and explore alternative credit cards designed for people with bad credit, some of which may offer more favorable terms.